All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to design the About page. Okay, so let's scroll down real quick and just kind of go over a quick overview of what we're going to be doing here. So we're going to add the navigation, the page name, experience with my beautiful mug on there. Only joking. About LearnTech Plus, Josh Werner's an instructor. This is content that I took from my Udemy profile just to fill in here. And then the footer. Okay, so that'll give you kind of a brief about section about myself and what LearnTech Plus is all about and all that good stuff, all that good jazz. So let's go to our starter project, starter page, I should say, and let's add our favorite part of the videos here is adding the navigation and the page name. So let's zoom in on blog here. Let's see if it lets me do this. It's fighting with me today. I don't know why. Come on, Adobe XD. I love you. There we go. See, once I say I love you, then it works. So I'll right click on this and copy it. And then I'm going to grab the hand tool and slide over here. And I'll right click and paste it into the About page. Okay. Then I'm going to click on the page name, right click on a copy, and then we're going to paste it in over here. And we'll change this to About. Okay, and then I will select it, and I'll move it until it's lined up where it needs to be. Beautiful, right there. Okay, so that's center. And again, remember, I'm centering this because on a mobile device, you want to be able to see, you want to have as much space in between content as you can. Okay, so let's go to the finished product here and look at the top of the page and see what we did here. Okay, there's my mug, and then I put experience. So let's grab experience. I'm going to copy that. We'll minimize this, and then we'll paste it in there. Okay, and then let's grab my image. I'll right click on that and copy it. So essentially what I did here, and I'll explain to you what we did, I'll paste it in here, but what I did was I created a circle like this, held shift to make it a square circle, and then gave it a border of 4 pixels, okay? Actually, I think it's more than that, let me see. 10 pixels, my bad. Okay, we gave it a border of 10 pixels, and I made the color navy blue. And then I grab my image and put it in there, just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to undo that and delete this. That's how we did it, just so you know. Okay. So we'll save that. We'll leave this as is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the text the way that I formatted it. I'm going to right click on this and copy, and then we'll paste this in. Okay, we'll paste that. Beautiful. And then I'll move this over to kind of line it up a little bit, give a little space, and let's fix our content here. So we'll move this down. Okay, so I want to have the image up here and then the text down there. Like I said, I like to have things in order. That way I can find them quickly. You know, like when you have the nav bar on top, which I thought I did, and then you have the page name below it, and then the profile picture, and then the text. Okay. Then the only thing left for us to do is to add the footer. So I'll right click on that. I'll select it, then right click and copy, and then paste it here. Okay. So we'll paste that in, and there you go. That's the About page. Now again, this was a lot simpler than the first page because in the home page, we had to build out the navigation. Then in the second page, which was the courses page, we had to build out the page name, right? And then we had to build out the thumbnails. But you see, as you go along here, as you progress, the more you build, the less you have to do in terms of creating new elements, depending on what the content is, of course. But for this example, I'm showing you how to reuse assets that you've created over the entirety of the project. okay, which makes this a lot of fun. So we added the navigation, the page name, Okay, and then we added the footer at the bottom. So there you go. Now what we can do is the new profile and this, and where did we put experience? Okay, experience was in page name, which I don't really want it in there. Let's see here. Let's take that out for a second. And then I'll just put it right there. Wait. Let's close this folder up, and then I'll put experience above new profile, and then let's make a group of this. So I'll right click on this and group it, and we'll call it experience. Okay. So again, this makes it easy for you to find things. You don't have to, so you could literally give me this file and I could edit it quickly. You know, if I need to change something out or turn something off, there you go. I can turn it off. I literally can turn it off. Let's say that I step down as CEO or president and you need to replace me with someone else. There you go. You just turn off experience and then change out the content you need. Okay. Let's say you want to get rid of this page completely. You just delete it. So it's quick turnaround, basically. Okay. So that's how you design the About page. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.